Grab a pen and a paper because we are going to take a quiz to find out what type of a crafter you are. Hey Bestie, this is Lisa. Welcome or welcome back. Let's get started. We may all be crafters, but we're not all the same. I thought it'd be fun to come up with a little quiz to determine what type of crafters we are. And I base these off of the different personality traits that these animals have. I came up with 4 different types. There's a wolf, an elephant, a turtle, and a rabbit. And I've got 8 questions for you to answer. The results of those answers are going to help you determine what type of a crafter you are. Now, of course, you could be more than one or a combination of several. This is just for fun, so please don't take it too seriously. Here's what you need to do to take the quiz. Answer the 8 questions that are coming up, total the number of A, B, C, and D answers, and then calculate the results at the end of this video. Now, let the quiz begin. Question number 1, how organized is your craft space? A, everything has a specific home. B, most items have a home, but not everything. C, a few items have homes, but mostly things are just somewhere in my craft room. And D, what is a home? I just craft and don't worry about organizing. And choose your answer. Question number 2, is your craft space neat and tidy? A, absolutely, I clean after every craft session. B, I put most things away. C, depends on my mood. D, nah, I'm just going to use things again. Go ahead and choose your answer. Question number 3, do you have specific tools for everything? A, yes, I want everything to be more efficient. B, I have several specific tools. C, I use a few tools but mostly make things work. D, not so much, I make do with whatever works. Go ahead and answer this question. Question 4, what do you do with your finished crafts? A, I sell them or teach people how to craft with them. B, I treasure them, sell or gift some, but mostly collect them. C, I don't worry too much about them, I gift some. D, I've kept some and gifted some. Go ahead and answer this question. Question number 5, why do you craft? How does it make you feel? A, I enjoy it, but it's a means to an end. I see it more as a business. B, it's a creative process that stimulates my artistic side. C, it relaxes me and is therapeutic. D, it provides an opportunity to visit with others, have fun, and catch up. Go ahead and answer. Question 6, what is your skill level as a crafter? A, medium to advanced, I learn new techniques as much as possible. B, advanced, I stay current on techniques and trends. C, beginner to medium, I know just what I need to enjoy crafting. And D, beginner to medium, not worried about my skills, fun matters most. Go ahead and answer this question. Question number 7, how often do you shop for craft supplies? A, fairly often to make sure I have what I need. B, only as needed, I curate my supplies based on inspiration. C, often, I love to shop for craft supplies. And D, whenever I can get a friend to join me, it's a fun activity. Now go ahead and answer this question. And last one, question number 8, which word do you identify with the most? A, efficient, B, focused, C, relaxed, and D, social. Now that you've answered the 8 questions, here's how you score this quiz. Calculate a total for the A, B, C, and D answers. So you'll say how many A's you had, how many B's you had, and how many C's and D's you had. Next, you will compare your totals to the information on the next screen. Now, you may be a combination of 2 types or a little bit of more than 2 types. You'll just have to wait and see how it turns out. Pause the video if you need to score your answers. If you scored between 4 and 7 of any of the specific types, wolf, elephant, turtle, or rabbit, then that is your predominant crafter type. You may have another number that's high or close, and that would be your secondary. So once you have your answers, you'll be able to look at the screen and kind of see which one or ones you are. Now let's look at each of the types. So the wolf, you are a creative, very busy, organized crafter. Everything has its home. You are neat and tidy. You sell your crafts and or craft as a hobby business. And just for the record, I am a wolf. I'm a very focused person, and this of course is my business when I craft. If you are an elephant, you are creative and artistic. You are focused, detailed, and aesthetics matter. You cherish your creations and may sell some and display the rest. So there you go for all you elephants out there. And by the way, elephants have one of the largest brains of any animal on land, and they are highly intelligent. So I thought that would be a nice bonus to know that. If you are a turtle, you are a very easygoing crafter. You're patient, you take your time, and you find crafting relaxing. Things don't need to be organized because you know where they are. Now that sounds like a fun person to be. I'm definitely not that person, but if you are, that's awesome. And last is the rabbit. You are a social crafter. You love to craft with friends and chat. Organization isn't necessarily your thing. You give your crafts away to friends and family. This sounds like such a fun person. So if you are a rabbit, I bet you are so much fun to hang around with. Now that you've completed the quiz and calculated your results, which type are you? Like I said, I am definitely a wolf, but I also have some of the elephant in me, so that would be my secondary one. I'm not so much of a social crafter, and although I do kind of find it relaxing, I'm not laid back as a personality type. I'm definitely not a turtle. Be sure to share your results down in the comments. I would love to see them, and let's connect with each other, especially those of us who are the same type. How fun would that be to make some friends who are the same crafting type as we are? What a cool way to get to know each other. Thanks for taking the quiz. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this, let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye.